Deep in the dense Australian forests lurks one of the most amazing birds of all time, the lyrebird. This bird is not just any ordinary bird. It has the amazing ability to mimic any sound it hears, whether it's bird song, dogs barking, or even the sounds of cameras and alarms. The male uses this unique talent during the mating season, performing a stunning singing display, imitating natural sounds with extreme precision to impress females. This mimicry is a vital survival skill, helping him camouflage himself and protect his territory from intruders. But with forests being destroyed and its natural habitat threatened, this magnificent bird is in danger. Will it be able to adapt to these changes and preserve its enchanting song?